Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephany Casanova, you know? And so I'm super late, but it's finally here. The Jackie Aina review and tutorial on how to get this bomb look. Of course I had to show y'all. And so yeah, I hate intros, so let's just get started. Here we're setting our under eye with the banana loose powder just to prevent fallout, and then we get right into the eyeshadow. The first shade is Ginger. I apologize that I didn't show it. And we're just kind of winging the eyeshadow out to get the shape that I want. And as a blending tip, I do like to go into the palette several times to pat it and get the pigmentation that I want and blend it out. And this will be the darkest shade that we use before cutting the crease, which is Credit. And another tip, I do like to use a makeup remover wipe before I cut my crease, just so it's more clean. Also, you'll guys see me do like a wing eyeliner and then connect the two. I don't know, it just helps me get like a really precise cut crease that way. And so yeah. And I'm just using the white shadow headliner in the Alyssa Edwards Anastasia palette, just so I can pat right underneath to keep that area completely clean. And because I want to create an ombre effect, we're going to start with Credit, and then now we're using edges. And then once we get to the center, I'm going to use Wiggleese. And we're just going to add Zam in the center to create a dimension. Wow, that sounded so weird. Dimension. Of course, we can't forget that highlight. We're using Soleil, and that will complete the look, obviously after lashes and all. My final thoughts on this palette is that I'd buy it again and again and again and again. Well, I mean, it was sent to me, but that's not the point. The point is that I would buy it, and that I do actually plan on buying it for my best friend, and I'm still thinking about doing a tutorial, so we'll see. But anyways, I absolutely love this palette. Like, I can honestly, wholeheartedly say that this is in my top 5 of 2019. Not only is every single shadow extremely easy to blend, but it's also pigmented. And I'm talking about every single shadow in here. Like, the lightest actually shows up on me. Like, you guys don't understand, like, when I first tried this palette, I looked at that color Ginger, I was just like, that might be skipped. Because I'm just so used to not using those shades, because it's just kind of pointless. It's just like my skin tone, like it's not there. But when I actually tried it, I was like, bruh, Jackie, you ain't never lie. Like, she literally made this for chocolate girls, for us women of color. And so I respect it, because when you swatch these, you can tell, like, there's no ashiness, it's pigmented, creamy, and Zam, that one right there, I love it. I think it's my favorite one. And obviously we can't neglect the names that she came up with. Like, hands down, the creativity that came into this palette, from like the packaging to the names to the shadows, like I had to give it a 11 out of 10. I really don't have anything to complain about. At first, I was thinking, wow, like what can I create with this? Because there's too many shimmers, not enough mattes. But then again, you fast forward till today and I've already created like 5 different looks with them. Like I'll put them on the screen so you can see the diversity you can get from this palette. And you know, all it took was just some inspiration on Pinterest and seeing other people. I love this palette. If I have a con, it's because it's not bigger. When like it's not a bigger palette, I want more. Part 2, please. I think this retails for $42. It is limited edition, so get it while you still can. I'm 100% sure it's still on Sephora's website, because I've been keeping my eye on it so I can buy some more. And so yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and that I hope I made this, you know, look pretty easy for you to do and recreate. And if you recreate, definitely tag me, because I would love to see and repost you guys. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. Alrighty, so thank you so much for watching. As always, click that button, and if you're gonna be watching for a while, hit that button.